Don't ask what this is about. It's a question I can't answer. But here we go. Right. Get out me house, you ain't getting my money. You always kick off if I call you babe or honey. Get your fucking coat on, no I'm not being funny. I just want you out me house by the morning. You walk round here like your lady muck, going house to house offering all the boys a fuck. You've had so many cocks that you walk like a duck, so I want you out me house by the morning. You're so ugly you resemble a hippo. Fucking hell, where do I go from there? You don't have a thought about this, can't you? Should do really, help, wouldn't it? You're so ugly you resemble a hippo. You got no dress sense, no you look like a chippo. Using disposable lighters cause you can't afford a Zippo. So I want you out me house by the morning. Spot on. Right. I'm going to give up making stuff up now.